realtor and credit repair expert. Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita, and I'm back with another video.
So when sending a dispute, do you send in a copy of the report? I don't send a copy of the credit reports in. When I send out disputes, I just send in the disputes and that's all. I don't like that's it. I don't send in like a copy of the credit reports. If you guys want to send in a copy, you can, but I don't think it's necessary to actually send in a copy of the credit reports. So you guys can kind of do what you feel you need to do. But this is the biggest thing. When you guys send in disputes, just make sure that they have that address. So make sure, you can't really change your name unless you get married or divorced. But make sure your name, address, date of birth, social security number, all that matches. Because if that information do not match what's in their system, that's when they're gonna be like, hey, we got your disputes. Can you send us a copy of your ID and something with your proof of address? And you like, dude, that's going to delay the process. So just check and see what's on your credit reports. And you can do that with Credit Karma. You can see what addresses are on there and then make sure you use that address or update your address. Do you guys need to find a sneaky way to put a new address on your credit reports because sometimes if you call the credit bureaus, they will not put that address in your credit report unless it's on your ID. So if you guys want to find a tricky way to add an address onto your credit report without actually calling the credit bureau or anything like that, let me know. Say, hey, tricky address or help with address, put that in the comments so when I get there I can tell you guys how to do that. Now let me tell you the reason why you would want to do this. I always tell a lot of people, a lot of the accounts that you're trying to get removed from your credit reports is tied to the address that you're at. So they're verifying that is you because, yes, your name is Rickita. This is your social security number. This is your date of birth. And this is the address that you had debt with. It's tied to your debt is tied to this address. But if you was to switch your address, like, okay, my name is Rickita. My social security number is this. My date of birth is this. But that's not my address. So it cannot be my debt. Like, what do you mean? Then I can let guys know what you guys can do, but just make sure that you have a different address that's not tied to your debt. If you guys need to know that trick, let me know because I can tell you guys what to do.
Thank you so much for finishing my video. If you like this video, make sure you check out these two videos on my right. There are more videos as a part of my channel where I talk about real estate and credit repair. And if you guys are really interested in boosting your credit score, think about joining my exclusive membership where I actually have exclusive live videos and you guys can get access to free credit repair.